So we are showcasing the brilliance of young Neville, young Akelia Smith, in our celebrating, as we continue to celebrate Child Month. She's a student at Mannings Hill Primary School at such a young age. She's extremely intelligent, and she's here with her mom, Akelia Smith. And later, she and her mom will have a face-off. I'm not invited in this at all. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. And how are you?
I am very well, thank you, and thanks for asking. Mommy, go on, how you do?
Hi, I'm all right, I'm good.
So you just look like everybody in this family, brilliant, though.
Right.
Eh? Akelia, what's your favorite subject?
History.
History?
Yes, I love history.
Why?
Because I love to learn about the world back then.
And back then?
Yes.
So what about now? You don't want, and in the future?
No.
No?
No.
Not interested. You're a quiz expert, I'm told.
Yes.
What do you love about doing a quiz?
It's challenging and it's fun at the same time.
And if it is challenging, why you love it?
Because I love challenging myself, and when I get it, I just always know it in my head.
So where you get all of that from? Just reading, or mommy tell you all these things?
Sometimes I read, sometimes mommy tell me, sometimes I study them, and that's how I get them.
How old are you now?
8 years old.
When's your birthday?
September 9th, 2017.
September 9.
Yes, September 9th.
All right. Moms?
Hi.
Where did she get all of this from?
Akelia is a smart child. She does most of this on her own. When I allow her to go and have fun time, she usually is on YouTube watching educational stuff.
Did that surprise you at this young age? Because youngsters want to run up and down and all kinds of stuff. Did that surprise you?
Yes, it did. At the age of 6, I left her in the living room watching Peppa Pig, and when I came back, she was watching the world capitals of Europe. So I changed the channel, and she said, "Why you change it? I'm watching it, put it back." And that's when I put it back, and 3 days after that, she watched it 3 days consecutively. And the 4th day, she said, "Mommy, quiz me and everything." And I said, "You don't know." And she said, "Quiz me," and that's how it started. She loved the challenge.
Yes, I do love the
You got
challenge.
everything right?
Yes, I got everything right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how long it took you to learn and retain all of that? Because sometimes you will know it and then you forget. But you don't seem to forget anything.
No, I don't forget anything.
No? You have me nervous, Akelia, because apparently we're supposed to have a little quiz going on. Moms, what kind of advice you give to others? I've said this all the time, that people should be encouraged to do what they're good at. But we still have some parents who feel you must go the straight and narrow, the lawyer, doctor. So what kind of advice you give to other parents who might have a youngster as wonderful as Akelia is?
I would say allow them to do what they love and then support them, because that's what I do with her. Allow her to do what she loves, and then I support her and join in with her.
Yeah. Sports. You're into sports?
No, not really.
You don't really like sports? No sport at all?
No.
All right. I see they're getting Kerry Ann line up, because Kerry Ann apparently is the quiz master. You know, I'm sending for Delia, because it's me and Delia against you, because I feel, what is that we're looking at? No, sir, I can't manage that. So what would you say to other young ladies and young boys out there who might not be doing what you think they should be doing? What do you tell them?
I would tell them to achieve their goals. Believe what you achieve.
Yeah. What you want to be when you leave school and get big and stuff? What you going to be?
An ENT doctor.
A doctor?
Yes.
Why? Why medicine?
Because I love help people.
Okay. All right. Where's Kerry Ann? Come in, Kerry Ann. Kerry Ann, tell me the answer then before you ask the question, please. So she's the quiz master. Delia, it's me. Well, all right, let's go. Why? All right, never go work with somebody. Clive, I work with him. Let's go. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good, Neville.
Yeah.
Let's see if you have a.
This is Akelia, and that's Nastasia.
Hi, Akelia. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank
She's
you.
one of our news readers, Akelia.
Okay.
I want to talk out this so it don't know when a question at all. Come, let's go.
All right, so good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica's Sharp Minds Showdown. Our contestants are Akelia,
Clive. And Neville.
Akelia and Neville. Now we have 13 questions.
What?
Which will be asked alternately. If you get the answer incorrectly, then I'll pass it on to the opposing team. 1 point will be given for the correct answer. So we begin with Akelia. Question number 1. Which country is built on 14 islands and connected by 57 bridges?
Stockholm, Sweden.
That is correct.
Stockholm is not a country. Sweden is a country.
Yes, Sweden is a
Yeah,
country.
Stockholm is a city, but you got Sweden. All right, one look.
All right, question Neville.
I'm not here.
In which city can you find the Little Mermaid statue?
Akelia, you know that?
Yes, I do.
Tell me no.
Copenhagen.
She is correct. All right, so
Oh,
Akelia,
it's my point, that.
actually she gets the point.
No, but I told her to tell me and she tell me.
She gets the point.
Okay.
All right, so next question. Who was the 16th president of the United States?
Abraham Lincoln.
Correct. Neville? Which country, are you okay?
No.
Which country has the most natural lakes in the world? Please don't ask her.
You know that too?
Yes, I do.
I feel it's Akelia sending the question. I think it's Akelia sending the question. I think I know this one, you know, the most natural lakes in the world.
Mm-hmm.
The most natural lakes in the world? Actually, I think I know. Clive, may I work? It's my country,
Which country is that?
Canada.
Whew. 1 for Neville. All right, good try. Correct. All right, so next question goes to Akelia. Which European national anthem consists of only music?
Spain.
Spain!
Correct. Correct. Neville, are you ready?
Akelia, that's not fair. Yes, I am not ready.
Capital, what's the capital of Bulgaria?
Capital of Bulgaria. Me can't spell Bulgaria. Just we know the capital. Sofia.
Correct.
I know.
Akelia, who interpreted dreams for pharaohs?
Joseph.
Correct. Next
Akelia, I
question.
think you're cute. No.
She's very cute. All right, Neville, which country's capital city borders 2 other countries?
Turkey.
Akelia,
Bratislava.
say that again.
Bratislava.
Correct. All right, Akelia, this question to you. Which club does Pedro Neto play for?
Chelsea.
Correct. All right, we're coming down. A question to you, Neville. Which basketball team does Deandra Ayton plays for?
Yes, Neville, yes!
You know that?
Yes, I do.
You know that?
Yes.
You know, you sending all of the question them. Oh, you know that?
I studied them.
Oh, you studied them.
She studied, Neville, you never studied.
Me never studied. Which basketball team I play with? Kemar say, leave it alone, coach. I don't know.
Akelia, would you like to try?
Yes, I would.
Go ahead.
Los Angeles Lakers.
Not correct. The answer is Portland Trail Blazers.
I knew it was in LA because that's my team, so I knew that. But at least you get one wrong.
All right.
7-2. Oh, 7 for me. Okay, all right. 2 for you.
Neville,
But-
No.
No?
All right, Akelia, question to you. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize?
That one is tricky. I might have to answer that one on my page, which is Kiki Quizzes.
So you don't know?
Yeah, honestly.
Neville?
Mother Teresa?
No. The
Well, you know, shut up with your mouth, man.
All right, so
told
the
you.
answer is Marie Curie. All right,
Oh,
we're
yeah.
coming down. Neville, question to you. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles? You
Brazil.
should get this one.
Yes, Neville!
Well, you shut up your mouth.
Correct. And my final question goes to Akelia. What is the name of the stadium where Manchester United plays its home games?
Manchester United.
What's the name of the stadium?
I have to answer that one on my page too.
Old Trafford.
Okay. That is correct. And that ends. And that's the end of our Sharp Mind Showdown. Akelia on 7 points and Neville on 4. Everybody put your hands together for her. All right, so our winner is Akelia.
Hold on, I want to know
What do we
who
have for
clapping.
her?
Oh, now clap. Thank you very much. Oh, I know, man.
All right, congratulations, Akelia.
Thank you.
Congrats, Akelia. You are brilliant.
Thank
I'm
you.
absolutely amazed. And I'm so happy to meet you, moms. Congratulations. Congratulations. Just keep on doing what you're doing. Enjoy what you're doing. Obviously, you do.
Of course.
I don't know why I even smiling with you because you beat me on national team. I know when everybody sees me, you make her beat you this morning. Eh? But God bless you. And I know you'll be a brilliant doctor.
Okay.
And I love you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, moms. She's Akelia Smith, student at the Mannings Hill Primary School. And we could give our school a round of applause too because they obviously are doing a good job with her. And her mom, Nastasia Schmeichel, Achievers Roll, Honor Roll, Monitor, exemplary student. Oh, that one said, and the brightest young girl in the entire world.
Wow.
The brightest big man in the world, see me? Daddy, come in, Daddy, make us see your face quick. We have to go for a break. Come in, Daddy. Come in, Daddy. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Proud of you and your family. What's your name, sir?
Jason Smith.
Jason. God bless you, sir. All right, just stay with me. We're going to go for a break. Me going home, go and cry. No, we have more. Oh, she beat you all the while? Well, I know you, she for beat, man. Not me. We'll soon come.